The OEE calculator measures your equipment's true productive capacity by combining availability, performance, and quality metrics into one comprehensive score. This critical manufacturing KPI helps you identify exactly where production losses occur and prioritize improvement efforts. Let's examine the 5 input fields. First, planned production time in hours represents your total scheduled production time minus planned maintenance and breaks. Next, actual runtime in hours is when your equipment actually operated during that planned period. The ideal cycle time in minutes per part is your theoretical fastest production rate under perfect conditions. Total parts produced counts everything your equipment made, regardless of quality. Finally, good parts quality tracks only the parts meeting your specifications. Here's a practical example. Enter 8 for planned production time hours. Your equipment ran for 6.5 hours, so enter that for actual run time. Your ideal cycle time is 0.75 minutes per part. You produced 480 total parts, but only 450 were good parts. Click Calculate OEE. The calculator displays your overall equipment effectiveness as 72.9%. This single percentage combines your availability rate of 81.25%, performance rate of 96%, and quality rate of 93.75%. Each component reveals specific losses. Availability shows downtime impact, performance indicates speed losses, and quality reflects defect rates. Industry-leading operations typically achieve 85% OEE or higher. A common mistake is using scheduled time instead of planned production time, which artificially lowers your OEE score. Always exclude planned downtime from your baseline. Find the link in the description below.